Welcome to Shiksha. I am Saurav Saha. Today I will show you how to calculate age from a birth date in years, months and days. Unfortunately, Excel does not have any built-in functions for this job. So we will use a custom macro function to do it. Let's start how to do it. First, open the macro console in Excel by pressing Alt plus F11. Then insert a module and paste the code in the module. You can get the macro code from the description. Then return to Excel sheet and type =get age, birth date to get actual age. It will show actual age in years, months and days format by deducting today's date from birth date. You can get it only days by =get age _day, birth date to get the age shows in days. You can get it only months by =get age _month, birth date to get the age show in months. You also can get it only years by =get age _year, birth date to get the age show in years. Use this custom function as per your requirement. Please subscribe to our channel for this kind of video and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching.